Hey friends and neighbors in Homewood, Tony Mitidiero of RE/MAX Synergy standing in front of our new listing at 2054 Olive in the heart of downtown Homewood. This is a beautiful two-story vintage home that was fully rehabbed about 4.5 years ago. I sold it to my good friends Ryan and Laura, who were living in the city and both working in the city and needed transportation to the city but didn't want to live there any longer, and Homewood was the perfect fit for them. This location in particular is only a 3-minute walk to the Metra. And you'll find that the house has had pretty much everything done to it. Basically a full rebuild. Roof, siding, windows, HVAC, electrical, plumbing. They even blew in a ton of insulation into the attic so that your energy costs will be low. We've got a wonderful deck out in front. Great for your morning cup of coffee and days like today, sitting outside. There's also a deck in back. But why don't we go inside and I'll show you around. So here we've got a living room that leads into an amazing eat-in kitchen. Now they've loved this property and both no longer need to be in the city, so they're looking to make a big change, but they've loved living in here, and I've loved hanging out and having a good time here, largely because of this kitchen. You'll notice we've got hardwood floors, beautiful ceramic flooring, and this massive piece of granite. We've got tons of counter space, right? Wraps all the way around, beautiful white wood cabinets, and we've got a center island cooktop here. This is an absolutely fantastic property for entertaining if you like to do that. We also have an eat-in area up here, as well as sliding glass doors off to our deck in the backyard, which is also fantastic. Now, because this property is only really a couple years old, all of the appliances and our double oven stove are still like brand new. The beautiful Whirlpool pieces, they should last a long time and they really look sharp. Now, if we go upstairs in this property, we have 4 good-sized bedrooms. And in those, the master has an amazing bath with a dual sink in it. There is also another full-size bath upstairs and very good-sized rooms, 4 good-sized rooms with tons of closet space. All right, so this backyard is fantastic because the house itself is on an oversized lot. And we have a deck out back that's quite nice with sliding glass. There's still some room next to the house though. And when they rehabbed this property, they installed a brand new garage, a 2.5 car garage with a parking pad that is still like new condition. And it actually even has some room next to it for extra vehicles if you wanted to park some there too. But coming out of this backyard, we have about a 30-second walk to Grady's Grill, which is a fantastic place that we love to eat at here. If you've been in Homewood, you're certainly familiar with it. But then, you've all heard of Aurelio's. The original Aurelio's is about a 1-minute walk. It's right there. You're probably gonna gain a little bit of weight. And then the Metra, it takes 3 minutes to walk to the Metra, which is just over there. And that is one of the most timely trains in the entire train system in Chicagoland. So living here is super accessible. Out the front, you know, we've got a couple-minute walk to Lassen's. It's about 2 blocks. Another great dining option. And then the majority of downtown on Dixie Highway is about 1.5 blocks that way. So excellent location, great for entertaining, tons of space with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, and an awesome community in Homewood with great schools and a great neighborhood feeling. Thanks for taking a tour of 2054 Olive with us today. And if you're in the market looking to move to Homewood or live here and looking to upgrade, I don't think you're gonna find a better option available. A few of the things that this property has going on that some others don't is a really luxurious feel. And that comes to you largely because of the level of finishes and the care that was given in putting this property together. The rehabber did an amazing job. The carpentry is second to none. We've got beautiful crown molding, some baseboards that are really nice and stand out, make a big impression. All of the countertops, fixtures, and cabinetry are the type that you would find in a property of much more money. So if you're looking for a place to come home and just have a beautiful retreat that makes you feel fantastic, but still easily accessible to everything, this is the property for you, and living in Homewood is a great place and it's a great way to live.